living life in color. Everything around me looks so beautiful and sweet. Heavenly desire. Everything so bright, it's like a brand new movie scene. All the immersive colors, picture perfect, vibrant, gamer's paradise. And the world keeps going right. I feel good, and there's a million stars in the sky. I feel good, when the sun is shining so bright. I feel good, yeah. And the world keeps going round, going round. I feel good. Life is clearer than I've ever seen. Feels like I've got magic inside me.